Trading212 address verification. So this is a step-by-step guide. Okay, all that you have to do is simply open the Trading212 app, and then when you look down here, you are going to see that we have this, that is start investing now. Tap on it, and then this pop-up will come, and then when you look here, you are going to see that you are almost there, and then we have setup complete, and then we have verify identity. Come and then tap on the right arrow. Okay, so when you tap on it, it's going to bring you right here to the address confirmation. Okay, so as you can see, you have to submit a document that is having your residential address on it. Okay, so over here, if the document is not having your residential address, the one that you used to fill, you can come and then click on change address, and then you edit it and then put the exact residential address that is on your ID card. Okay, and then come and then click on the next. Okay, good. So after that, you have to come and then select any of these documents that they accept. Okay, so among these documents that is accepted by them is that we have the first one is the national ID card, the residential permit, the bank statement, the tax bill. They also have the bank certificate, they have the utility bill, and then they have the telecom bill as well. Okay, any of these you can use it to verify. Okay, so I'm simply going to select the most common one, that is the bank statement, and that is the best because it always comes with your residential address. Okay, so when you choose any of them, they don't accept a screenshot. Okay, and then the document, you don't have to provide a document that is 3 months older. Okay, you can't use PDF, it's allowed, and then you have to make sure that it is having the exact residential address on the document. Okay, and then come and then click on add documents. So when you click on it, over here you can simply come and then position your camera and then take a picture of the original. So to take the picture, all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on this, and then you'll be able to take the picture. But let's say you have the picture on your phone already, come and then select the image and then select it. Or if it is a file, PDF, you can simply come and then choose this option, and then it will take you right here to your phone where you can come and then select the exact document. Okay, so when you select it, over here you have to make sure that it is clear and then readable, and when it is clear, come and then click on my document is readable, and that is it. It is going to verify you. It is easy and simple, just like that. Like the video and then see you in my next video.